Hello everyone, myself Dr. Dushyant Pradeep and you are watching Dr. Dushyant's class. And over today's class we are going to continue previous lecture in which we have discussed about the light and its different phenomena. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about our next topic, that is reflection. That is one of the very important phenomenon of light. Now सबसे पहले रिफ्लेक्शन में हम स्टडी करेंगे रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम अ मिरर. फर्स्टली व्हाट इज मिरर? मिरर एक्चुअली क्या है? ये एक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है. इसकी एक सरफेस जो है ये पॉलिश्ड है और दूसरी सरफेस जिसके ऊपर इंसिडेंस होता है. सो लेट्स सी, ये मिरर है आपका. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस लाइन. दिस लाइन इज एक्चुअली व्हाट? दिस इज द नॉर्मल. Normal is what? It is a line which is perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. Incident where your ray of light is going to get incidented. Now let's see. This is the ray which is incidented at the mirror. After interacting with the mirror surface, it gets reflected. जैसे यहाँ से ये reflect होगी, अब ये दोनों rays आपकी एक incidented ray और एक reflected ray, और ये है normal. इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल के साथ जो एंगल बनाती है, दैट एंगल इज नाउन एज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, एंड द एंगल बिटवीन द नॉर्मल एंड द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, दैट इज योर एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. So based upon this, we are now going to have certain rules, certain laws, how you can imagine the value of the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. Next देखिए, ये है हमारे पास कुछ laws of reflection. ये लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन में पहला सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लॉ जो है वो ये कहता है कि जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस है और जो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन है, बोथ आर इक्वल. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन बोथ आर इक्वल. सो द अदर लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन दैट सेज दैट द लाइन आर द रे ऑफ इंसिडेंस, द रे ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, both lie in the same plane that is shared by the normal on it. So depending upon the type of surfaces, we are having different types of reflections. First type of reflection is clear reflection, and other one is your diffused reflection. Both of these reflections, that depends only upon the type of the surface. Now first type of the surface, which is plain, smooth, shiny and have a clear reflection. When the rays incidented on this surface, all the rays they get reflected by obeying the laws of reflection. But on the surfaces which are not same, which are not smooth, when the rays get incidented on them, they are going to get reflected in a different directions without even have a same pattern or same symmetry. Now, rough and dull surface have a diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection is when light is scattered actually. Now, what is happening here? It is a scattering, means incident light that is not reflected in the same direction. All the rays, they may have a direction of reflection depending upon the type of point of incidence. Okay? अगर आपका इंसिडेंस पॉइंट, जैसे यहां देखिए इंसिडेंट पॉइंट कुछ और है, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है, तो एक का रिफ्लेक्शन डायरेक्शन ये है, दूसरे का डिफ्रेक्शन डायरेक्शन ये है. तो सभी रेज अपनी अपनी डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में मूव कर रही है. बट पहले वाले पे ध्यान दीजिए, यहां पे क्या है? यहां पे जो रिफ्लेक्शन है वो सारी सेम पैटर्न में है और सेम डायरेक्शन में है. सो दिस इज क्लियर रिफ्लेक्शन. नाउ how we use the mirrors. There are two examples. First one, we use it in the formation of a periscope. In periscope, when we have to observe certain objects which are above certain surface. So below the surface we want to observe that, we use two set of mirrors inclined at certain fixed angles, and we see the object, that is periscope. They are mostly used in the older versions of the underwater vehicles, your submarines. Now the other one in our car headlamps, in which a focus light is required, so we use this one another type of mirror. So this was about the reflection. Now what about the colors? Color, actually, they are the components of the white light. White light is not a single color. It is made up of mixture of 7 colors of the rainbow. So you can visualize these colors by just having a phenomenon of passing the white light through a prism, which is visible here. We can demonstrate this by splitting the light. Okay, the splitting of light to form a rainbow like pattern. Okay, this will give you 7 different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, and this is going to give you a pattern, and this pattern is called a spectrum. So white light can be split up to make separate colors. These colors can be added together again. अगर आप फिर से रिवर्सिबल तरीके से आप इसे एड अप करना चाहें तो you can use one another set of prism to add all these to get again the white light that you have incidented on the first prism. So the primary color of lights are what? Red, blue, and green. Primary means these colors, when get mixed in certain proportions, they will give you certain other colors. Adding blue and red, here it is visible here. Adding blue and red will give you the magenta purple. Adding blue and green will give you the light blue. Adding red and green makes yellow, and adding all these will give you the white light. So white color visible here when all these 3 colors are getting mixed in almost equal proportion. So this is the additive color mixing. Okay, so your 3 primary colors, जो भी आपके primary colors हैं, कौन कौन सा primary color है? Red, blue and green. जब हम इन्हें mix कर रहे हैं तो हमें सारे possible colors मिल रहे हैं. Now seeing the color, how we visualize the colors? Actually, color of certain object, they depends upon the type of surface of reflection. जो भी reflection की surface है उस पे depend करेगा कि उसका कलर क्या होगा. जो भी कलर उस सरफेस से रिफ्लेक्ट होगा वो हमें विजुलाइज होगा. मींस एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर दैट देयर आर 7 कलर्स एंड any 1 or 2 of the color which are getting reflected from a surface will give the appearance of that surface. So let's have this. This is the red color of this book. You have incidented white light. White light contain how many colors? 7. So only red color is reflected. So this book will be visualized, will appear to us as a red color. Now pair of purple roses. Now there are 2 options. One, the purple itself exists. Another, the combination of blue and red will give you the purple color. So after reflection from the surface, you are going to receive 3 colors. One purple itself, one red and blue, which are again going to form the purple light. A white light reflects all 7 colors. So you're going to have the white light here. But if the incidental light do not contain the color of that object, then what would happen? If we look at the colored object in colored light, we see something different. For example, consider a football kit. Okay, you have incidented a white light. You got what? There is a red color and the blue color from this pants. So shirt is of red color and blue color from the pant. Okay, short looks blue. So in different colors of light, this kit would look different. If you are incidenting red, you are not going to have a color of this pant. Shorts will look black, means there isn't any presence of that color of light in this combination. Okay, same is the case of your blue light if it is incidented. So in the next case, the same colors, red, and using filters. Filters means those objects which will allow certain proper amount of light. If it is a red filter, it will allow only red color of light. If it is a magenta, it will allow 3 colors. One, the magenta itself or a violet itself, blue and red. Okay, because their combination is again give you that purple color. So investigating filters, you can have different colors, 7 colors. So thank you very much. Have a great time ahead. Please keep watching, and below your screen you're going to have a link of this video Please subscribe, please like and share these videos so we can have a next lecture on the same depending upon this pattern. Thank you very much. Have a great time ahead. That's Dr. Dushyant.